You know, advanced technology is key for retail solutions right now, and enhancing efficiency and reducing user error and fatigue, well, those are just as important. With its advanced features and compact design, the Skorpio X3 mobile computer from Datalogic is the latest advancement to help your retail customers and their employees get more work done in less time. The Skorpio X3 has one of the largest high-visibility color graphic displays in its class, with a 3.2-inch touchscreen and a form factor that's compact and lightweight for excellent balance and superior handling. In addition, retailers can prevent repetitive motion injuries with the Skorpio X3's inclined scan engine, which scans both 1D and 2D barcodes without the need to move the wrist. This reduces operator fatigue and allows employees to complete tasks quickly and with less strain. Datalogic's patented green spot technology provides positive confirmation of each scan, making the Skorpio X3 easier to aim and quick to read. Users can also customize the keypad for the most efficient data entry. 50 and 30 key alphanumeric or 28 key numeric options provide maximum flexibility. Many customers are also searching for ways to reduce their energy footprint while improving workflow across their business. The included direct charge micro USB connector connects to any standard power supply, while the high-capacity battery lasts across multiple shifts. From assisted sales to inventory and stock management, show your customers how to streamline business processes while enhancing user experience with the Datalogic Skorpio X3 mobile computer. Visit our microsite to learn more about the Skorpio X3, now available